Good day mga idol, welcome to Stock Market U. Pag-uusapan natin the Keepr's Holdings follow-on offering worth giving a shot nga ba? Alright, so binasa ko yung prospectus nito, no, and at the same time nanood din ako ng ilang interviews nila. I-share ko sa inyo yung key takeaways. Alright, so konting background lang sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ito si the Keepr's Holdings, siya yung dating Da Vinci Capital Holdings. Alright, so at a glance, ito yung background niya, no? Itong si Keepr, liquor distribution business siya ni Mr. Lucio ko dun sa holding company na Costco Capital. So, ito yun. Okay? Tapos, yung Keepr wholly owns 3 major players in the Philippine liquor. Pagdating sa wine, special beverage industry, yun na nga si Montosco Inc. No? Diyan galing si Alfonso, yung number 1 product nila. Actually, 60% of their revenue nang gagaling kay Montosco. Meritus Prime and Premier Wine and Spirits Inc. Okay? Largest distributor then of imported spirits sa Philippines itong holding company na to. So, based nga dito sa IWSR or International Wines and Spirits Record sa UK, the company and its subsidiaries accounted for 74%, no? Medyo malaki yan, and 66.9% of the imported spirits segment based on the volume and retail sales value. The rest, nandiyan na sila Emperador at saka iba. Okay? So, strong synergies derived from affiliates, Pure Gold, SNR. So, dito na papasok yung distribution channels nila. Okay? Healthy growth trajectory, no? Pagdating sa mga CAGR, compounded annual growth, no? Medyo nag-decline lang yung sales nila noong 2020. Pero despite of that, no, naka-attain pa rin sila ng sales na 8.17 billion. So, meaning marami pa rin nagsha-shot, no, kahit pandemic. So, despite of that. Okay? Alright. So, post-restructuring, nandito na si the Keepers, no? Yung nakita nyo before, wala dito. Diba? So, after nitong offering na to, tapos post-share swap, nandiyan na ngayon si the Keepers Holdings. Yan ay magiging structure ng Costco Capital na conglomerate, tapos part tong si the Keepers Holdings. Okay? Ito yung mga products nila. Alis lahat tayo familiar dito, no? Nandiyan si Alfonso, si Johnny Walker, at marami pang iba. Alright? So, basic information naman, ang offer price, 1.5. Okay? Kaya rin sila nag-follow-on offering kasi bumaba yung public ownership to 0.34%, which is nire-require yun ng MPO rule or minimum public ownership rule. Okay? So, after follow-on offering, tataas na siya to at least 20%, no? So, nakakapag-comply na siya dun sa requirement ni PSE. Okay. Upon completion of the offer, yung magiging total common shares na i-issue tsaka outstanding is 14.5. Whereas, 3 billion dun, galing dun sa offer shares nila. And the net proceeds is around 4.35 billion pesos. Listing date, November 19, that's Friday. And sa use of proceeds naman, actually na-impress ako dito nung binasa ko, no? Yung company intends to use the net proceeds from the offer primarily for strategic acquisition opportunities, expansion of product portfolio and distribution network channels, investments, distribution and logistics network, and working capital. So, kung mapapansin mo, walang debt repayment dito, no? Sa huling-huling ginawa ni All Day na IPO, part of that, nagkaroon ng debt repayment, no? And normally, pag may mga IPO and follow-on offering, normally, ina-allocate nila for debt repayment. Pero this one, wala nakalagay. So, meaning more on expansion. Lalagay nila sa CAPEX, acquisition, dun mapupunta yan. Alright, so, post-share swap transaction, ganito yung mangyayari, no? Parang at a glance lang din, no? So, Costco Capital, meron na silang 11.2 billion shares. Itong InvestCap kay Mr. Lucio ko din yan. And then, the public is around 3 billion shares. Mapupunta yung offer nila. Okay? So, use of proceeds, since nabanggit natin kanina, so, galing dito, no, isa-isahin natin, yung 3.5 billion pesos, mapupunta dun sa strategic acquisition opportunities. So, moving forward, makaka-expect ka ng mga disclosures kay Keepr na meron silang i-acquire. Medyo malaki yan, 3.5 or 80% ng total net proceeds. Gagawin nila yan, ang timeline is 2021 until 2023. Okay? Then the rest, 500 million sa expansion of product portfolio and distribution channels. Lalo nilang papalakasin yan. Investment in distribution and logistics network. Importante rin yan na kailangan malapit ka sa mga customers. And then working capital. Okay? So sa dividends naman, hindi tayo mag-expect na medyo mataas ang dividends na to, no? Para lang, to put it in context, para lang may idea kayo, si All Day, no, nag-release siya ng ganito sa dividend policy niya, 10 to 30% of their net income. No? Si SGP, up to 100%. Pero itong si Keepr, at least 20%, no, yun nilagay nila. Medyo vague yan, pero based dito sa nakalagay, parang hindi ka mag-expect ng masyadong malaking dividends. I think capital appreciation play to, itong si Keepr. Okay? So, pagdating naman sa financial highlights, yung tatlong companies na yon, si Montosco, Meritus, at Premier, 1.07 billion, yun ang gagaling kay Montosco, no? Karamihan ng sales dyan galing kay Alfonso. Yun yung number 1 product nila ngayon na nagdadala sa business nila. Then si Meritus, 66 million, and then Premier, 42.7 million. And pag tinignan mo tong net sales, gross profit, operating income, net profit, yung CAGR niyan, not bad, no? Medyo nasa double digits itong 2-year CAGR ng gross profit, operating income, and most importantly, yung net profit, no? Nasa 20% yung 2-year compounded annual growth rate niya. No? Medyo mataas yung, kumbaga kahit na meron nga excise tax law, mataas pa rin yung net profit niya. So, tinatangkilik pa rin ng mga alak. Alright? Marami pa rin manginginom, mga idol. So, ito naman, total assets in terms of billions. So, may kita mo, steady or pataas lang din. Liabilities, bumababa pa nga, di ba? Return on equity, pataas siya, na-disrupt lang ng 2020, which is last year. And kung titignan mo yung pacing ng first half 2021, 10.3%, medyo yung pacing niya papunta at around 20% at least yung level. Okay, and dito ako na-impressed din, no, yung total debt to equity ratio sobrang pababa, no. So kaya mapapansin niyo rin yung follow-on offering na yon, halos lahat mapupunta sa acquisition, expansion, investment sa distribution channels. Kasi wala naman silang babayarang masyadong debt eh. Kasi medyo marami silang room for growth pagdating sa expansion kasi marami pa silang cash, parang ganun yung lumalabas. Okay? So, syempre, ang investment, mayroon ding risk, lalo na sa prospectus, nakalagay lahat yan. So, naglagay lang ako dito ng ilang risk na takeaways din natin, okay? So, number 1, demand for the group's products and services may be adversely impacted by changes in the economy. So, pwedeng magkaroon ng mga disruption, another crisis, so pwedeng magbago yun, okay? Pwedeng maka-affect sa company. The group may not timely identify or effectively respond to consumers' needs, expectations, trends, no? Importante yung trends. Basahin ko lang itong pangatlo. Sales of Alfonso account for a majority of the group's revenue. Sales of Alfonso account for approximately 60% of the group's revenue. Actually, tinanong ko dito yung kaibigan ko na mahilig uminom. Etong si Alfonso, tinatalo na raw si MP Lights, no? Ito raw yung paborito ng mga kabataan ngayon, si Alfonso. Tsaka tinanong ko rin siya kung masarap ba, smooth daw. Yan si Alfonso. So, importante ang brand at tsaka trend, no? Kasi otherwise, pag merong panibagong competitor na maglalabas ng drinks, tapos magte-trend din, magugustuhan ng kabataan, no? Maka-affect yun sa revenue ni The Keepr. So, importante ang isang brand. Parang yung Coca-Cola ni Berkshire Hathaway, ni Mr. Warren Buffett. Okay, so the group's business is subject to seasonal influences. So, syempre, normally, yung mga occasional drinkers, umiinom yan pag may mga okasyon, celebration, no? Sa mga talagang manginginom, umiinom sila. Pero, syempre, yung sales tataas kapag seasonal, gaya ngayong Christmas season. So, expected na medyo tataas yung sales nila pagdating dyan. Tapos, lalo na, medyo nagluluwag na ngayon sa policy pagdating sa pagbili ng mga alak, no? Dahil alert level 2 na, and papunta na tayo alert level 1. The group may be subject to negative publicity, logistics, and third-party contractors, pwede magka-problem. Outbreak of diseases, no? Like COVID, nagkaroon ng lockdown, makaka-affect din yun. Natural and other catastrophes, including severe and weather conditions. So, lahat yan pwede maka-affect. And may iba pa, no? Like politics and more. So, eto naman, are you buying at a premium or discount? So, nakalagay dito yung net book value per share niya would be 0.79, no? Si SGP, binasa ko yun. Yung net tangible book value ni SGP is 13.47. So, nung in-offer siya at 12 pesos, at a discount mo mabibili yun. Pero not this one, kasi at a premium mo siya mabibili kasi 1.5 yung offering eh. So, ito importante din itong mga ganitong bagay, no? So, kung ako na medyo nagpa-plan din ako pumasok dito, isa to sa mga tinitignan ko. Alright, mga idol? So, catalyst for growth naman. So, yung population ng Philippines expected na mag-grow pa in the next few years or few decades. And by 2045, no, ini-expect yung projected growth natin or population would be 150 million by 2045. And pag titignan mo dito yung LDA population or yung mga legal age, no, na uminom na, is nasa around 68 million lang, no? Etong 0 to LDA, yung mga hindi pa allowed, is 42 million. So, pag lahat yan, lumaki na, no? Siyempre, hindi naman lahat yan iinom. Pero, 42 million is a big number, no? Kapag in the next few years, after 10 years, kasama na yan sa mga target market nitong mga ganitong alak. Alright? So, yung growth dyan manggagaling din. So, business strategies naman. So, sinabi nila doon na i-widen nila yung market reach nila by leveraging the group's extensive business distribution ecosystem. Actually, no, ang kagandahan dito kay Keepr, nandyan si SNR, Pure Gold, and other affiliates din, no, na, or under ng kay Costco Capital, na pwede nilang i-leverage doon para mas ma-reach nila yung mga customers, no. So, by business to consumer, so the group will explore a new direct consumer channel. Business to business, the group will expand and strengthen its existing distribution channels by boosting the availability of its products. Alright, so conclusion na tayo mga idol, no? So ito, though room for growth is huge, no? Brand for me is very important. For example, Alfonso, no? Yun ang binanggit ko kanina. Sabi ng kaibigan ko, tinatalo na daw nito yung MP Lights, no? Ito daw yung bagong favorite ng mga kabataan. So importante yung brand, paano ka, yung makuha yung number 1 is one thing, pero magstay as number 1 is another. So, importante yun. According to Warren Buffett, second, change is the enemy of investing. Para sa akin, metaverse, no, yung bagong technology na makukuha natin, Web 3.0, will not change the way we crave for alcoholic drinks, no. Iinom at iinom ka pa din, no, kahit na sobrang high-tech na yung society, may metaverse na, meron ng avatar, iinom ka pa rin ng alak. Okay? Yung excise tax law naman, possible that increasing tax will be shrugged off. Actually, nangyayari na nga yan, tumataas na nga yung tax yan eh. Hindi ko na lang dinisclose dito, pero every year tumataas yan. May exact price na nakalagay din sa prospectus, pero binabaliwala lang, no? And at the same time, mataas pa rin ang net profit ni Keepr dun sa mga alak nila. Okay? And then, number 4, resilient pa rin siya despite the pandemic. Kung makikita mo yung mga earnings ng 2020, karamihan ng mga restaurants or ibang hotels pa nga na listed sa stock market, nag-negative yung income nila. Pero not this one, no? Kasi kahit na bumaba yung income nila, still may mga umiinom pa rin. Positive pa rin, hindi sila net loss. Okay? So, in my honest opinion, lastly, range of price action nito would be wide during the honeymoon stage in the first few days after ng FOO. Hence, volatility is very much welcome. So, tingin ko, si SGP medyo tight nga yung range and then pataas, diba? I think dito medyo yung price discovery hindi pa natin masabi. So, I think magiging tight yun. I mean, magiging wide siya. So, exciting yung volatility, no? Isa ako sa mga manonood at baka pumasok kapag nangyari yan. So, yun lang mga idol, no? So, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Cheers! Stock Market You, forever student of the game.